Good morning, folks. Today I want to do a quick video of a new tool that I picked up, and that is this here. This is a relay puller. I got it off of Amazon. It was like $6. Actually, it was like $6, and it came with a little fuse puller as well for the little fuses. But this is something that I've been kind of thinking about for a bit. The reason being is, as you guys know, I do like to get the fuses out of junkyard cars. They sell well. I mean, they sell really well. A couple dollars a piece is what I sell them for. So the profit's good, and you usually sell multiple at a time. But the issue is, a lot of times, like when you look at these, they're kind of hard to get to. Like let's say this one here I was trying to get to. It's difficult to get your fingers in there. Even this one here, it's difficult to get my fingers into those little areas to grip. And kind of get on this one here, definitely those. But when you get into some of these tight areas, it is extremely difficult and just kind of hurts your fingertips. Yeah, call me soft, whatever. So I got these, and they've got little teeth that come off the prongs here. It's just a pair of pliers with special jaws on it. Comes around. Let's see, I'm gonna do it on this side. Just trying to hook up underneath, do a little wiggling, and it works. It mars up the relay slightly, but only slightly. Doesn't mess up the prongs on the relay itself. Put that back. Let me try. Let's see, I want to get this one out I mentioned a moment ago. I'm not sure if this is going to work or not. I'll try this one. Yeah. So even on some of these smaller ones, it still took it out no problem. Just grip and wiggle a little bit, and it came on out. Let's say one of this little purple one here. This one might be more difficult. No. So again, $5-6 shipped. I would say that is a bargain to add to your toolbox, taking to the junkyard or just keeping in the house. Yeah, I said just look up on Amazon, relay puller. Again, let's say it was $6, and that came with a little fuse puller as well. Well worth it. That's going in my junkyard bag. This will be an essential tool that I will use on my next picking it trip. Y'all have an awesome day. Take care.